So in this way, we can just try. Suppose here, I'm just writing here for I in. Here I'm taking few values. Any value here I'm taking, right? Apple, mango, oranges, banana. Suppose these, any fruit name means any values I'm giving into the collection. You are already aware that automatically indexes will be there. Indexes are there now. Even you are not putting inside the list icon here. So automatically indexes will be there. Now suppose I want to print all these things now. So here I'm just taking these values now. Here I'm taking print. Now see the statements, each and every statement. Print I. Okay. So automatically it is going to print the values of apple, mango, oranges and banana. Okay, iterations will be there, no? Automatic iterations will be there. Now suppose I want to break the loop. See, I'm using break. I want to terminate the loop. Instead of taking all the loop, means apple, mango, oranges, banana, total loop inside the for loop. No. I want to terminate this loop in between. How to make the termination in between here? So here you can see these one. For this one here, there is the keyword. There is a keyword break. Break keyword. So how this break will work now? Here, to make the loop break, I have to give the condition here. If, see here I'm using if inside the for loop. If I is equal to oranges, I'm saying, okay, as soon as I value is oranges, break, means I do not need any output. I want to finish the loop. I want to terminate the loop. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How are the values? How much values are there? 4 values. If you are not giving if is I is equal to oranges break, you will be getting the answer apple, mango, oranges and banana for sure. But now I want to break it here. So let's see how this loop is running now. Here I'm just giving for I in apple, this one. So suppose this 0 will come. Initially see here inside I 0 will come. So in 0, what is the value? Apple is there. Now it will come here. It will check. What is inside 0? It is apple. It will just check. Apple is equal to oranges? No, it is not oranges. It is apple. So it will not work. This break is the part of if statement. So break will not work. Break will not work here. It will just directly come here after checking apple, oranges, both are not equal. Both are not equal. They are not true. So it is false. So automatically what it will do, it will come in print statement and it will just print the apple. So it will give you the value of apple. Second time, this one, this mango, 1 will come here. What is the value? Mango. Here it will come. It will say, okay, mango is equal to oranges. No, mango is equal to oranges is not there. So it will check it out whether we should break it. If the condition is I is oranges, but here mango is oranges, but it is false. So it will not work. The break will not work. It will not finish the loop. It will not terminate the loop. It will come to print statement and print next value mango. Done. Now come to the next one. Third one. See this one. What is the index here? 2. So 2 will come here. 2. I is 2. Inside the 2, what is the value? Oranges. So it will just check it out. Oranges. Oh wow, it is oranges. Oranges is equal to oranges. It is true. We had find it out. Both are oranges. Now here break will work. Break is the part of if statement here. We had created. What this break will do, it will say, okay, I have to break. Okay. It will not come into the print. No. From here, it will just come out. It will finish it and automatically end will be there. So it will no more give you the answers. It will just say apple, mango are the final answers. Right? So remember, break is the statement. Break is the statement which will end the loop. Finish the loop. Break, break. Break will finish the loop. Okay. Now I'm changing this word, this particular word, break to continue. There's another keyword there, continue. So here, these lines I'm changing a little bit, a small changes I'm doing. For I in, here only I'm writing, apple, mango, oranges, banana. Now you see there is another keyword, continue. Here also print statement is there, print I. Now here I'm writing the if statement. So that statement I'm writing if I is equal to oranges. I'm saying if I is equal to oranges, here I'm writing the continue. Continue. See the word continue. Continue will continue your loop. It will not break it here. How? Automatically 0, 1, 2, 3. These indexes will run automatically. Now see all the steps now. First time 0 will come. Into the I, 0 will be there. So it is looking here, I, apple, oranges. Apple is equal to oranges. No, no. So what it will do, it will come here in print statement. It will simply print I. I is apple. So it will print here apple. Next time, it is going to take the next one, this 1. Here 1 will come. In I, 1 is there. 1, 1. Inside 1, mango is there. Mango. Mango is equal to oranges? No. Mango is not oranges here. So this continue will not work because continue is the part of if. So what it will do, it will no more working. It will just come to print I and it will say print mango. So it will print it. Now let's see the case of oranges, this one, actual one. So here, this oranges, when this oranges will come, this one. What will happen? This 2 will go in I. So the value of 2 is there. Now here, inside the I, the value of 2 will be there. So what is the value? Oranges. Now you can see what is oranges. Both are equal now. Oranges and oranges both are equal. If both are equal, then it will come here to continue. And what this will do, what this continue will do, continue will continue the loop. See, in break, this one, it has break the loop, it has finished the loop, it has terminated the loop. But what this continue will do, this continue will quickly take out this line. Which line? This line. It will not come into the print. It will not come into the print. From here only, it will move to the next one. In continue, it will not come to the next line, print statement, no. It will move to the next index. It will come to the banana. And now banana will come here as the 3-1 and it will check it out banana and now it will come here in printing. So it will print the banana. So see the differences. With break statement, it is going to break the loop, end the loop. But in continue, it will continue the loop. It will move the loop to the next iteration. So here you are getting the apple and mango, and here you're getting apple, mango, banana. So once we will be doing it now, it will be much more clear. But the point is here overall that there are two keywords here in Python. They are associated. They are associated with the for loops generally. It means if I want to break the loop in between, I want to finish the loop, this loop in between, so break is there. And continue is the keyword which it will not finish the loop, though it will jump to the next iteration. Okay, it will not continue it. So break will not come here to the print statement. If break is there, directly it will finish it here. In continue also, it will not come to the print, though it will move to the next iteration. That is the major difference. Print statement is not outside the loop. Print statement is a part of for loop here. Once I'll be showing you the code, you'll be getting print statement is required to print the values there. Print is the part of the codes there, for loops there. Let me check it out there. Wait here. See this one, line number 20, 21 and 22. Here you can just see this one. For I in lemon, apple, oranges and banana. This one is the simple statement which you are writing it here. All the values are coming one by one, just like the normal working you had already worked. Let's come to the break and continue. In break and continue, this one, line number 21. So here you can see lemon, apple, oranges and banana. So here for I in lemon. So what will happen? First time lemon will come. It will match out with this one. If I is equal to oranges, so here lemon. Lemon is equal to oranges. So it will not work because see, this print is the part of for loop, number one, and this break is the part of if statement. If this condition is true, then only break will work, and as soon as break will work, it will make the loop end. No more printing of oranges and banana. Okay. So here I had not given anything. Only here I had added one line. If I equals to oranges. So if I is equal to oranges, it will break. So first time 0, 1, 2, 3. First time 0 will go. 0 equals to oranges. So it is lemon. Lemon is equal to oranges. It is no more break because it is lemon. So there is no true now. It is false. So it will come in here. If this condition is true, then only it will work. Otherwise, it will come to the next print statement. So it is printing the lemon. Next time apple is coming here. So in I, 1 is there. 1 apple, oranges both are not equal. So break will not work. It will come into print I. It will print the apple. Third time you can check. Oranges is coming here third time. So now it is oranges. Both are oranges. Oranges equalities are there. Now this break will work. So what break will do? It will from here only it will come out from the loop. So no more printing of print I. So no more printing of print oranges, print banana. Okay. So in this way, break is going to break the loop. Come to continue here. So you can see here. Here you can see continue keyword, this one keyword here, that see the output of break because break has break in between. Continue you can see. So here 0, 1, 2, 3 indexes are there. So 0 will go here in I. So lemon is equal to oranges. No, this is not true. This will not work. It means continue will not work. Second time, so it means if lemon is equal to oranges, so continue will not work. So it means I is not true. So it will come in print and it will print the lemon. Second time, apple will go here in I. So apple is equal to oranges. No, again false. So continue will not work, though print will work and apple is printed there. Okay. Third time come here. Third time, oranges. When this will rotate here in I, so oranges equals to oranges. Both are equal. So it means this is true. If this if statement is true, continue will work. Continue will not allow to print. It will not come down. No. From here only it will jump to next iteration and it will print the banana. So you can see the difference here, lemon, apple, banana, because when oranges came here, when this came here, so it continued from here to jump here. Okay. So in this way it will work. So you try yourself one by one carefully and see the differences, how the break and continue is working. Break will break the loop. Continue will continue the loop to the next statement and see how the outputs are coming. Do it all these 20, 21, 22 yourself now. In line, it will continue to the push query please input. Mention D. D, you can give any index here, no, as per your wishes. In here, suppose I am having a list. Any list you can take. Any list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simplified work I am taking. Everybody is aware how this loop is going to work. Now suppose I want to store this D. I want to store this D, this one, into another variable. I want to store this D means index values, all these values one by one into the another variable. So how we can do that? Till now we are just learning for D in this one and print we are doing that. Print, okay. Now I want to take this value. So what I'll do, if I want to take this one, so what I'll do, I'll just take this D here and just store this D here, and I'm taking another value. Suppose here I'm taking variable. Where is any variable, XYZ variable. So what this will do, this will internally work. This for will internally work. For D in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will take all the values from these indexes, these one, and it will store this D one by one, these values one by one in this D will come out from the for loop and this D will be captured by the another variable. Okay. Together we call it a list comprehension. So if we check it out this var, that what is this variable holding? So it is going to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means same statements, same data, which is putting it here into the list. So this we are capturing with the help of for loop, one by one statement, and with the help of this list comprehension, I can capture the value in another variable also. Okay, so this we can do. You can ask, ma'am, that what is the benefit of it? Actually, when we work with certain conditions here, we can fetch out the selected data here. So wait for this one, just a moment. Let me take out the small codings here. Wait. No. Wait. Say this line number, this one. Line number 1, say this one first of all. This line number, this one. Suppose I'm putting this list 1, this one. This statement, only this statement. List 1 is list normal list here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just you see this one, only this one. So what we are doing, for D in list 1. So already you are aware in list 1, we are having the data. Okay, in list 1, we are having the data. Now from here, this D, I'm capturing it one by one. So inside this list 1, what is the data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the data is there. Okay. So here for D in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here this D, I'm just putting it here. This is the syntax of list comprehension. And now I'm enclosing entirely in square bracket. So what will happen? This D, which we are capturing one by one from here to here. So this D will come here, and this D I'm just putting in any of the variable here. And this list comprehension, this is a normal value, and this D we are capturing it here. And this D, this particular D is going to be stored in another variable. If I want to say print M, what are the values here? So it is just showing these are the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the values. So it means these values which are coming in list 1, with the help of for loop, one by one, each and every values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are extracted from D here. And now this D is going to be stored in M. So here print M is there and the results are there. The similar way you can see data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can put any data. So this data is here. You are iterating the for loop just like the normal for loop you're working. For D in data, each and every values of the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be captured here. And now from here, this D is taken out from the for loop and being stored into the another variable M. And it is showing you the data. Now the benefit of doing this list comprehension is that whenever we are having a lot of data in list, if I want to fetch out a particular data, only a particular data, not all. So there I can give certain condition. Based on to this, I can fetch out all the data. Let's see here line number 5, this one. Suppose these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to and more you can give. I want to take only even numbers. With the even numbers, I can give the if statements. It means if any value of D, if I'm taking the modulus of D and checking out whether the remainder is 0, then only this D is going to be captured and will be stored in any other variable. It means with the help of loop, with the help of list comprehension, I want to take out all the data one by one. Just check it out with the if condition whether these values are even values. If even values, okay, I will be storing it into the another variable. So here, see this line very carefully. For D in data, this line is just like the normal working, like a normal iteration. Normally internally it will work. See, it is not going to show you each and everything, but yes, internally this line is working. All the loops are iterating inside it. For D in data, now next line. If D divided by 2 is equal to 0, if D modulus 2, so it will modulus sign will give you the remainder. If modulus 2, you are dividing, so suppose here, let me check it out, 4 modulus 2. So 4 modulus 2 is what? 4 divided by 2, everybody is aware, remainder is 0. So yeah, it is 0. So this particular 4 value from the D will be captured here as the even number and will be stored inside the M. If it is 5, suppose the next iteration is coming with a 5. So here it will check it out that inside the D, 5 is coming from this data. So D is 5. So 5 modulus 2. So 5 modulus 2. So you will be getting 1. 1 as the remainder. So it is 0. So 1 is equal to 0. No. So this is the odd. So it will reject it here. It will not store this 5 here. So here in D, if statement is false in this condition, so it will not store the D. No. So there is no 5 here. Next 6. When 6 is coming here, so 6, 3, 6 will be there, remainder will be 0. So 0 equals to 0. It means even number. It means this D is 6. So this 6 is even number. So it will be captured by D here, and this D is going to be stored here as the answer. So only with the help of list comprehension within one statement, we can find out the values which are even numbers with the if condition inside the list comprehension, and that D will be stored one by one inside the M. So one by one, this for loop, see, this for loop will iterate on to entire data 1, 2, 3, 4. One by one, this D will come, and this D will just divide all the numbers by 2. If the numbers are giving you remainder 0, only that D is coming here, and this D is going to store in M. How? Our cap statement which you are capturing here for the same word, it here, so you will be getting the remainder. 1 is equal to 1, so it is true. So now this D is going to be captured by this D, and this is going to be stored as the odd number. So here, see the difference between the even number and the odd number. Only statements are changed. The whole loop will be iterated as 0 or 1. Even number, odd number. Whichever number you want to store, take it into the another way. So these are very simplified working of the list comprehension. Try to do with line number 1, 4, 5 and 6 very carefully. Try to do. But right now, try these. Try yourself. So suppose you are taking 3, 0 plus 3, then plus 3, then plus 3. If you are taking 5, so 0 plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, in this way. So what you are writing at the end, this is up to you. You can try anything. That much jump will be there. Function, length function, okay, input functions. So there are certain string functions. Inbuilt upper, lower, capitalize, title. So here, if I want to make any particular string, suppose I'm having any string. I'm having suppose any string to make it upper. So what I will do, I will just write here word dot upper. So this upper function will make this Python a capital letter automatically. Any variable you can take, and here I'm having the value here data to lower one. So I will just write here word 1 dot lower. So this will make my data lower. So it will make it normal data. Okay. Swap case. Suppose I'm having a word word 3. Any variable you can take, and inside this word 3, suppose I'm having here, I'm writing just like the data science. So here my D and S both are capital. So in swap case, if I'm writing it here, so what will happen? Suppose I'm writing word 3 dot swap case. It will make the cases swap. So what it will give me the answer? It will just give me small data D and small s. Rest of the things capital. Okay. This is a smallest, and rest of the things capital. So it means here split function is there, and here gap is there. So it will split the words, this data word separately. Great. Capitalize is there. Capitalize here, capital, rest of the things smaller. Or it is holding the digits. So this which has started is word is Python. It is upper. So it is say, okay, it is Python's upper. It is this word. I had just put in capital, some are normal, means capital small combination I had taken. Word, welcome to Python. Word is there, welcome to Python. I want to make it lower. So you can say word dot lower, just make all the data lower. So all the data is lower now. So this lower method is present there. So it is making all the data in lower. Now word dot swap case. Swap case will take all the data in swapping, means upper to smaller, smaller to upper. So this word is in capital. So swap case is making this word in smaller. And this word you can just say in smaller. So it is being converted into upper. So swap means swap the upper to lower, lower to upper here. Okay. Now suppose here you can see split. So here if you check it out, what split will do? Split will check it out whether space is there. This space is there. So here you can just see space is there, na? 2 in Python. So automatically spaces are there. So it is just checking it out, word dot split. So wherever spaces are there, automatically it will take that word and put it into the list. So it will just break all that particular line, and wherever the spaces are there, those spaces are captured and stored it as the break of the words, and it will put it into the list format. Automatically it will do for you. You can see this one, this line number 6. Suppose any data is in smaller letter. I want to make it in upper. So this variable name dot upper, k dot upper, all the data is in upper. You can take any other data, just try to make it upper. So you can do it, okay? Now here line number 5. Suppose there is a is. So inside the is, wherever is prefix, so that is a query. Is lower, is upper. So here I am writing word 2 is equal to notebook. So word 2 is lower. I am asking, tell me, is it lower? This word 2 is lower. It is saying it is true. Word 2 is lower, true. Now I'm writing word 2 is upper. So it is saying false. Notebook is written in smaller letter. It is not upper, so it is false. So you try yourself whether it is upper or lower. Now there is capitalize. Here you can see above. If you check it out above here, notebook is written in smaller. If I want to make this N capital, so capitalize. Word 2 dot capitalize, so N is capital. So capital means first letter capital. You can see this line number 13, word 3, string functions in Python. I want to make all the very first word as the capital. So capital S, capital F, capital I, capital P. So string functions in Python, you can just write word 3 dot title. So it means any variable name you can just give it here. Just I had given word 2, word 3. You can take it X is equal to notebook also. Does not matter. You can take any variable name and then you can make it here X dot upper. So it will be giving you that upper. It will be giving you capital letter. Okay, so one can try these things. Now suppose here these one. See this one. There is alphabetic. See line number 6. Word 4 is Python. Inside it, alphabets are there. So there is a function internally, alphabet. So is alpha means is alphabetic. So I'm asking word 4 is alphabetic. It is saying true. Word, it is saying false. It is false. So these are few functionalities.